Hello, friends, and welcome to this program Grammar in English. Today, I would like to talk about adverb. Let us start with adverb of time. Adverb of time or adverb which shows time. For example, my father gets up early in the morning. Here, the word early is an adverb because it shows time. I have not seen him since last 3 days. Here, since is an adverb. He takes exercise daily. I often visit to his house. He has already finished his work. That day he arrived late. I have heard this before. He called here a few minutes ago. I will wait till tomorrow. And he came eventually. So, in all these sentences, we have a single word that shows time is called adverb of time, uh, early, since, then daily, often, already, late, before, ago, till, eventually. All these words are adverb of time which shows time. Now, adverb of place. Adverb of place or adverb which shows place. The sun shines everywhere. Now, everywhere is an adverb of place because it shows place. Children are playing outside. Nobody was there in that place. Mayor looked up. I was uh, I was at Satlasana yesterday. Students are in the class. My friend is out. I have seen that man somewhere. Meena sent her husband away. Here is the copy of syllabus. So in all these sentences, there is a single word that shows place. Is called adverb of place. Everywhere, outside, in that place, up, at Satlasana, then in the class, then out, somewhere, away. So all these words are adverb of place which shows places. Now next is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner or adverb which shows manner. Mayor read carefully. Mina sings beautifully. He walks speedily. Mr. Prajapati speaks truly. Then this novel is well written. They speak English well. All these words carefully, beautifully, speedily, truly, well, all these words uh, show manners. So it is called adverb of manner. See, work hard, then I can hardly work. There is a difference between these two words. He came very near. He is nearly blind. Raju came late. I have lost. I have not seen my brother lately. So you have to understand difference between hard and hardly, near and nearly, late and lately. Late is uh, a word that shows time. That is called uh, adverb of time. But lately and nearly, hardly, they are different words. Now, adverb of reason or adverb which shows reason. I am glad to see you. We eat to live. Manus came to my house to help me. So here are the words to see, to live, then to help. All these words are used to show reason. So they are used here as adverb of reason, because since are also used to show reason. So they are adverb of reason. Then interrogative adverb. When, how, why, all these words are interrogative adverb. When a sentence begins with WH words like when, where, how, why, is called interrogative adverb. When will you go to Surat? How did you get first class? Why did you not come with me? So, all these words which are used to ask questions in the beginning of the sentence are called interrogative adverb. Then adverb of frequency. I saw him once only. Once only. Here once is an adverb of frequency. It shows how many times the action is done. Have you seen have you seen ever have you ever seen a ghost? He came to my house twice. I have never seen Kashmir. He seldom visits my house. He frequently comes here. He is always in time. So, in all these sentences, once, then ever, then twice, never, seldom, frequently, always, all these words show the frequency of action. So, they are called adverb of frequency because they are related with our action. Then adverb of comparison. He is as clever as his brother. Jitendra is younger than Rajesh. He runs more quickly than Evan. Hina writes better than Avni. And two things are compared. At that time, such type of adverb of comparisons are used. Here, as, than, younger than, then more quickly, then better than. All these words are used to show the comparison between two persons. It is called adverb of comparison. Then last one is adverb of condition. If you do not work hard, you will fail. If she does not walk fast, she will miss the bus. Unless you purchase a license, you cannot drive a car. Unless you attend your class regularly, you will be dismissed. Here a condition is given. What condition? In the first sentence, if you do not work hard, you will fail. There is a condition to pass. You have to work hard, otherwise you will fail. If she does not walk fast, she will miss the bus. What will happen if she does not walk fast? Then she will miss the bus. So here is a condition to get the bus. What condition is there? She has to walk fast, otherwise she will miss the train or bus. Unless you purchase a license, you cannot drive a car. What is the condition to drive a car? You must have a license, otherwise you cannot drive car. Unless you attend your class regularly, you will be dismissed. So, in all the sentences, there is a condition, and one should follow the condition, otherwise the result will be not good. So, all these words we use in our day by day routine works, in our daily talks. They are adverb, and their adverbs show a different type of time, place, manner, etc. Thank you.